What's going on? Michael here. So I went to work this morning, and as I was going to work, people starting the day, everybody was like, "Oh man, this is for the birds. Is it? There's got to be something better." I've been hearing this for years. I've been on my job for 20 plus years. I've been hearing everybody say this, right? And over time, when I used to promote things, I hear people saying this, and I used to say, "Hey, take a look at this opportunity, take a look at that opportunity," but nobody want to make a move. So my thing is, why complain about something if you're not going to do anything about it? So now when people say those things, I don't interact with it because some of the people are my Facebook friends. So you see what I do, right? They see what I do. So if you're not willing to make a move or make a change, then my whole idea is don't complain about it, right? Don't complain about it because I've been on the job for 20 plus years and I'm there to support my family. My daddy told me a long time ago, don't concentrate on the job, concentrate on why you're doing the job. So it took me a long time to get there, but now I'm at the point, got a 13-year-old son, I got my wife. So the only reason I go to work is to support them. I'm an Exitus Elite to make additional money, right? $100 to $2,000 that I can earn immediately. As soon as a person make the payment, the money is available to me. Company never holds your money. So, and I have the potential to make this every single day, right? 90% of people come in at a G1000 and that's $1,000 commission. So I like to say this is $1,000 business. So I got the potential to make $1,000 every single day, right? Most people make $1,000 in 2 weeks, right? So what we do is post things on social media is just attracting people to the information, the main information right here that we do videos, sharing the main information. My contact information if you need to reach out to me and ask me any questions, right? Doing videos, doing simple things like this. And then we have a 3 generational bonus training with a series of videos to show you how we build momentum and make sales in the business, right? One way is through the video, like we're doing right now. So just imagine you sharing information through videos, people reaching out to you, they understand your message, they want to make additional money, they're tired of their jobs, or they just want to make more money without having to go get a second job, without waiting 2 weeks to get $1,000, and they can make $1,000 by sharing a message on social media, sharing a message in video, being right there with your hand out, saying, "I'm here to help you. I'm here to answer your questions. If you want to make $1,000 in a day, position yourself. I'm gonna help you get your first person in." It's all right, Mike. You good? You good? You need something? You need something? All right, some son walked in. I guess he wanted to play with me, since I was doing a video, walked out. But position yourself to make $1,000 commissions, right? So just imagine, okay, like I said, it takes 2 weeks to make $1,000 for most people. $100 a day, 5 days a week, $150 a day. So the average person make about what, 1,000, 1,200, maybe 1,500, right? So just imagine if you made one sale a week, or just two sales a month. Two sales a month at $1,000, $2,000. One sale a week, that's $4,000. And making these sales is putting enough information out there, right? Just posting daily on social media. Nothing major, nothing crazy. Just being real, just being yourself, right? See, a lot of people think, "Oh, I gotta add on this, I gotta do this, I gotta know how to do this." No, man, just share the message. If you can share a simple message, just like I'm sharing with them right now, people are gonna resonate with it. People are gonna say, "Okay, I can do that. I can share a message," and you can make $1,000 days, right? Keeping it that simple. A lot of people don't believe it's that simple, but it's that simple, right? Because it's all about you putting a message out there and the person say, See, most people don't believe they can do it. And that's why they're in the same position they're in now, because they don't believe it, they don't take action, right? And they don't make any additional money. I've been looking at this online business for years, right? With Exitus Elite, best quality, best owner, best support, the simplest, and the training that we got in the team training and the 3 generational bonus training, it opened up my eyes and I was like, "Are you serious?" And the thing is, I know it works because that's how it got me. If you want to know, does something work? Why did you get started? That is your answer. I got started because I was following an individual that I seen him just sharing his information in video. And I got started. And I said to myself, are you serious? That's what it really hit me. Took me a little time to get it, but I got it now. Pick one way of getting out to people and master that one way. The way I decided to get out to people is through video, right? Because you can hear me, you can see me. I'm here, my phone number. I got my contact information and on all my social media platforms, and my emails is right in the description here on YouTube. Contact me, reach out to me on Facebook, connect with me, right? Let's get you in to make $1,000 and $2,000 days. If you're ready to get started, contact me. Let me know that you're ready to get started. And what I'm going to do is you're going to get that 3 generational bonus training. You're going to get mega swap files. You're going to get 3 generational bonus training. Like I said, have those videos to show you how to get momentum, make sales, and everything. You're going to get what is that? Mega swap files, places to post for free, Craigslist scripts, Facebook notes. You're going to see team thumbnails of samples, thumbnails that you can use, and just show you how we're doing it on YouTube. Man, what else? Oh yeah, coming at G1000, G2000, I will help you get your first person in the business. And one thing I used to say is I'm going to buy traffic to get eyeballs on your business, right? And over time, what I'm realizing is that a lot of time when you buy traffic, those are cold people. You still have to warm those individuals up. So, so I think buying traffic is not the best idea. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's not the best idea for me for my leads. Now, if you want to buy traffic yourself because you want to eyeballs, because you know how to do the thing, you know how to work email marketing and all that stuff, great. But a lot of people don't know. So I think I'm gonna take that out, and that's why I say, well, let me take that part out and let me just help you get the first person in at the G1000 and the G2000. And before you sign up, contact me. Hit me up on WhatsApp. You got my phone number. You can call me. You can text me. Talk to me directly, and I'm gonna tell you how I will help you get your first person in at 1000 and G1000, G2000. So, if you're sick of your job, if you you want to find something different and you want to work it and eventually get the training, learn the skills, and eventually quit, it's possible. I know an individual who's been doing this for 6 years, and in 6 months he got free from his job, right? You're going to see the information on this sales page itself. Oh, I forgot to mention this. You're going to get this sales page, right? Which is the 6-minute presentation, a full webinar. Watch that. This is the person who got free from a job in 6 months. The top earner producer thoughts. My good friend Sean Powell, my sponsor, right? And all these links going to connect to your link. I'm going to set that up for you. You ain't got to do that. But to get this page, you got to come in at G500. G500 or more, you're going to get this sales page. And at G1000, G2000, I will help you get your first person in, right? Your picture, your contact information. It's going to be all your social media. I'm going to set this up for you. A page like this can cost you $20 a month. And the system we call Power Lead system is $54 a month. You don't have to worry about that. I'm going to set that up inside of my system and give you the page so you can sign up with Exitus Elite and you can have a redirect to this sales page where it's branding you as a person, right? Like I said, coming at G500 or more, this is the section where you can actually get the buy traffic if you decide to, and access to the mega swap file just for entering your name and email address. Click the link down in the description, enter your name and email address. You're going to get the mega swap file just becoming a lead. And here's my copy and paste files. What I'm going to do is combine these two, so this link going to be gone after a while. If you've seen this video, you said, well, I don't see the copy and paste files. Well, I'm going to just give this, because this is a whole lot better than what this is. So if you don't see this link, just go here. It has everything you need right there. So if you're ready to get started, contact me directly. Matter of fact, go ahead and click the link down in the description and enter your name and email address. Watch this 6-minute video. It's going to be me introducing myself, and it's going to be Sean Powell giving information. Then it's going to go into the 6-minute video. That's what this is. But in your page, it's going to be Sean Powell, and then going to the 6-minute presentation. but this exact page you're gonna get at G500 and higher. But listen, one thing about the Exitus Elite, and if you can't come in at G500 or 1000 and 2000, and you have to come in at the 100 or the 250, go ahead and get started, no problem. Because if you upgrade later, you only pay the difference. If you come in at the G100 and you say, okay, cool, I made a couple sales, let me come in at the G250, you only pay the difference. You don't pay the whole 250 in admin. You only pay the difference. As you're going up, you don't have to buy the full 1000, and again the full 2000. You only pay the difference. So that's the quality we have in Exitus Elite. Man, I'll tell you this also. So we had a webinar, and just to tell you the quality of this company and the ownership, and Paul Stevenson, when I say they're one of the best owners I've seen in online business and the best support, and his son Jacob in online business, the system is high quality in itself. The system has, you get lead capture pages, you get an autoresponder, you can make a bridge page, you can introduce yourself on, inside. Just a lot of information inside. Paul Stevenson had a webinar where anybody that was on that webinar, he gave a major bonus just for being on the webinar, which saved people lots of money. That's the quality we have in Paul Stevenson, right? And his son Jacob Stevenson over support. I had a little issue with getting someone started. Jacob reached out to me personally himself, added me as a friend, and reached out to me himself on Facebook. Never had that done before when I had an issue. You got live support and you talk to people on live chat or email. You got to wait for them to get back to you. He contacted me on Facebook immediately. We got squared away. The person came in. Now that person is available to make unlimited income, ready to go, ready to get started. So listen, like I said, if you're ready to get started, my contact information is down below. If you come in at the G1000, G2000, let me know you're ready to get started. And we're going to discuss how I can help you get your first person in at those two levels. Come in at G500, you get this sales page. I'll set everything up for you. And that's it. Michael Petty signing off. See you in the next video.